it's very important to keep both your deen and your dunya in your life. It's very easy for people to get so caught up with one thing and forget the other. And I think that it's not just possible to balance both, but it's necessary to balance both. If you want to have a good dunya, then you have to have the deen in your life, right? And like, no one wants to live a hard life here. So if you keep that deen in your life, then the dunya easily comes to you. So I started doing Jannah Institute from when I was very young, and then I had a little bit of time when I was at school, so I got a little busy. But then I started to realize, like, because I am busy, that's why it's more important to make sure that I'm doing these extra classes, to make sure that I'm keeping my deen in my life. So during high school, I would take like the weekend classes that were virtual. So alhamdulillah, I was able to like join those from home. And I think for me, like, it was really important to keep those classes weekly along with like my schoolwork, because it's so easy when you're doing schoolwork to get very caught up with that. It's a lot of pressure when you're trying to like be at the top of the class, or you're trying to get certain grades and balance your extracurricular activities. You also have to remember that your deen is also something that's important. So it's easy to get like consumed by all the pressure from there and start to think that, like, there's no hope for you. But when you keep your deen, you'll remember why you're doing this stuff for the dunya, right? Because you want to be an ambassador for Islam.